Every investor dreams of high returns. Everyone wants the next big winner. The stock, crypto, startup, or asset that explodes in value and changes everything. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people learn too late. You don't lose money in investing because you miss opportunities. You lose money because you ignore risk. Risk doesn't usually show up with a warning label. It looks exciting. It looks confident. It looks like a once-in-a-lifetime chance. And by the time you realize an investment is too risky, your money is already trapped. Understanding risk is not about fear. It's about awareness. It's about spotting red flags before they turn into financial disasters. Today, we're going to break down the most important signals that tell you an investment is far riskier than it appears. Not in theory, not in complicated finance language, but in real practical terms that actually protect your money. The first sign an investment is too risky is when the returns sound unrealistically high. Whenever someone promises guaranteed profits, consistent double-digit monthly returns, or zero risk with high reward, you should immediately pause. Markets don't work that way. Real investing always involves uncertainty. High returns always come with high risk. There is no shortcut around this rule. If an opportunity claims otherwise, it is either misleading, misunderstood, or designed to trap greed. Many scams and bad investments succeed not because they are smart, but because they sound irresistible. The second sign is lack of transparency. If you cannot clearly understand how the investment makes money, that is a serious problem. If the explanation feels vague, complex on purpose, or constantly changing, that is not sophistication. That is confusion being used as a shield. Good investments can be explained simply. You should know where the money comes from. Who pays you? What risks exist? And what could go wrong? When details are hidden, delayed, or avoided, risk is already high. The third sign is excessive dependence on hype. If the main reason people are buying an asset is because everyone else is buying, you're standing on dangerous ground. Hype can push prices far beyond real value. And when excitement fades, reality hits hard. Social media trends, influencer promotions, and viral success stories can distort perception. They show winners loudly and hide losers quietly. By the time something is everywhere, early profits are often already made. Late investors absorb the risk. The fourth sign is lack of a proven track record. New does not always mean bad, but untested investments carry more uncertainty. If an asset, company, or strategy has never survived a market downturn, you don't know how it behaves under pressure. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but history provides context. Without history, you are investing blind. That doesn't mean avoid all new opportunities. It means size your risk carefully. The fifth sign is concentration risk. If one investment dominates your portfolio, risk multiplies. No matter how confident you feel, putting too much money into a single asset exposes you to unnecessary danger. Unexpected events happen. Regulations change. Markets shift. Diversification exists for a reason. It doesn't eliminate risk. It controls it. When an investment encourages you to go all in, that should make you cautious, not confident. The sixth sign is emotional pressure. If you feel rushed to invest, pressured to decide quickly, or afraid of missing out, you're not making a rational decision. You're reacting emotionally. Good investments don't need urgency tactics. Time pressure is often used to prevent due diligence. If someone benefits from you not thinking carefully, that is a warning sign. The seventh sign is misalignment of incentives. Always ask one critical question. Who benefits the most from this investment? If the promoter earns fees regardless of performance, risk shifts onto you. If insiders profit before investors, incentives are broken. The best investments align interests. When you win, they win. When you lose, they lose too. Misaligned incentives create hidden risks that surface later. Now here's where many people get confused. Risk itself is not bad. Risk is necessary for growth. The real danger is unmanaged risk. Professional investors don't avoid risk. They measure it. They price it. They control it. They understand that protecting capital matters more than chasing returns. One of the most overlooked aspects of risk is liquidity. If you can't exit an investment easily, risk increases. Markets change. Personal situations change. Locked-in investments remove flexibility. And lack of flexibility amplifies losses when conditions shift. Another hidden risk comes from leverage. Borrowing money to invest magnifies outcomes. Gains feel faster. Losses feel brutal. Leverage turns small mistakes into major damage. It should be handled with extreme caution. Risk also comes from complexity. The more complex an investment structure is, the harder it is to predict behavior. Complexity often hides fragility. When something breaks, complex systems fail dramatically. Simple strategies survive longer because they are easier to understand, manage, and adjust. Risk tolerance is personal. What feels safe to one investor may feel terrifying to another. Your age, income stability, goals, and experience all matter. Copying someone else's strategy without understanding your own limits is risky in itself. The smartest investors know themselves. They don't chase someone else's comfort zone. Risk also evolves over time. An investment that was reasonable at one price can become extremely risky at another. Valuation matters. Paying too much for a good asset turns it into a bad investment. Markets reward patience. They punish impatience. The biggest losses often come from ignoring small warning signs, not from sudden disasters. Risk whispers before it screams. The goal is not to avoid all risky investments. The goal is to avoid being unaware of risk. Ask questions. Read documents. Challenge assumptions. If something feels confusing, pause. If something feels rushed, step back. If something feels too good to be true, it usually is. Wealth is built by staying in the game long enough for compounding to work. And the fastest way to exit the game is ignoring risk. Smart investing is boring. It's disciplined. It's patient. And that's why it works. If this video helped you think differently about risk and investing, make sure to like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more clear, practical content on money, investing, and financial psychology. And share this with someone who's chasing returns without understanding the danger. Because avoiding one bad investment can be more powerful than finding 10 good ones.